Want to look stylish without spending a fortune? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're debunking the myth that personal style comes with a hefty price tag. We'll be sharing practical tips and tricks on how to elevate your style game on a budget. We'll talk about the power of investing in essentials, the treasure trove that is thrifting, and the magic touch of tailoring. Ready to revamp your wardrobe without breaking your bank? Let's dive in. First off, investing in essentials. Now, you might be wondering, what does that mean? Well, it's about focusing your budget on key pieces of clothing that can serve as the backbone of your wardrobe. We're talking about a good pair of jeans, a crisp white shirt, or a well-cut blazer. These are items that can be mixed and matched to create various outfits, thus saving you money in the long run. Think of these essentials as your style superheroes. They're always there, ready to save the day when you're in a fashion bind. And the best part? They never go out of style. So, while that neon green sweater might seem like a fun idea now, it's the classic pieces that will stand the test of time. It's about quality over quantity. Investing in well-made essentials means they'll last longer, look better, and ultimately save you money. Remember, essentials are called that for a reason. They're versatile, timeless, and always in style. Next up, thrifting. You might be surprised at what you can find. Thrifting isn't just about saving money. It's also a treasure hunt for unique pieces that can seriously elevate your style game. Authentic vintage? Designer labels for less? Yes, please. But remember, successful thrifting requires patience. It's not a quick in-and-out shopping experience. You'll need to comb through racks, check each item for defects, and sometimes walk away empty-handed. But when you do stumble upon that perfect piece, oh, the thrill. And the satisfaction of knowing you've scored it for a fraction of its original price? Priceless. So next time you need something new, why not try your local thrift store? Last, but definitely not least, tailoring. Picture this. You have a shirt or a pair of trousers that you absolutely love, but they just don't fit quite right. Now imagine that same piece, but tailored to perfection. It's a game changer, isn't it? Tailoring can transform even the most budget-friendly items into pieces that look high-end and custom-made. It's all about the fit, gentlemen. A well-fitted garment not only enhances your body shape, but also elevates your overall style. Remember, the secret isn't always about what you wear, but how you wear it. And when it comes to style, nothing beats a garment that fits like a glove. A well-tailored outfit not only looks great, but it also makes you feel more confident. And confidence, gentlemen, is always in style. And there you have it, fellas. Quick recap. Smartly invest in essentials, discover hidden gems through thrifting, and tweak fit with tailoring. Don't shy away from experimenting. Even mistakes can lead to style breakthroughs. Remember, style isn't about how much you spend, but how you wear it. So go ahead, upgrade your style game without breaking the bank.